Welcome to JH. I have been taking Puritan's Pride Folate, and it has been such a seamless addition to my daily routine, mostly because it's the only part of my life that actually runs on schedule. The capsules are small and easy to swallow, and they lack that lovely industrial chemical aftertaste common in lesser supplements, making it actually possible to stay consistent. After a few weeks, I noticed my energy stayed steady throughout the day, and I felt more focused during work and workouts, which is a significant upgrade from my usual state of midday existential dread. It also provides some much-needed peace of mind knowing I'm supporting my heart and cellular function. Remarkably, it's gentle on the stomach, unlike some other vitamins that feel like you've swallowed a bag of gravel. I really appreciate how clean and reliable the formula feels, delivering a solid dose of B vitamins to support metabolism and red blood cell production. It's a simple way to fill those nutritional gaps left by my questionable diet choices without adding any unnecessary filler. Overall, it's a trustworthy, fuss-free supplement that actually delivers, and I'd recommend it to anyone looking to support their energy and wellness without the usual drama.